So I mean, I think we've been talking as an industry a lot about the shift from desktop into mobile, and a lot of time we're talking about side door traffic, which is mobile web. And we started working about a few months back, adding SDK to both Android and iOS to help publishers to also integrate Taboola into the native app that lives within our phone to create a more consistent discovery experience across all platforms. And if you think about where the industry is really going, we believe that there's going to be a big app economy whereby it's going to become harder and harder for publishers to get users' attention, and the opportunity to be embedded into someone's phone, and especially in an app where we see very loyal audience is real. If you think about doesn't even have to be the phone. If you think about how we're watching TV these days and watching mobile videos with Comcast X1, Apple TV, and other opportunities out there, people are coming home and just broadcasting videos from their app into the TV. So if you own that attention of the consumer and you're embedded into their phone, the opportunity we think is massive.
So tell us a little bit about what you put into the mobile app and how that might be different. Let's say the implementation with the AP, how that might be different than, say, a page that we would see of a publisher on the web.
Right. So one thing that's really unique about it is the user experience. We made sure that, first of all, it's very easy to integrate for app developers. So we have APIs as well as SDKs for Android and iOS. The second thing is that the experience of Taboola within the app is very native. So if you're going to AP app and you click on a post from around the web, you would stay within the app. So similar to how it is on Facebook or Twitter, let's say I'm going to AP and I see a Bloomberg video recommended to me because I'm in New York and Taboola thinks it may be relevant for me. I click on it, it will open within the app, I can watch the video, and there's a back button that I can go back. So it helps monetization in a really high quality way. It doesn't open up something that's disturbing my experience. I open the app because I want to have an in-app experience as a user, and we're making sure that stays.
Is that the implementation with most of the publishing apps, or the AP in particular, this in-app experience?
I mean, we now developed it quite a lot to make it more standard and easy to integrate, but it's across the board API or SDK, and we're looking to keep expanding that to other forms that's out there. But yeah, right now it's across all of our partners. We have about 100+ apps that integrated Taboola into the app. And what's unique about AP is that, first of all, it's one of our largest apps that really have Taboola. It has 13 million uniques, which is massive. And again, the difference between regular web audiences that we see versus app is really the loyalty of those users. Sometimes news junkies, people that open the app 5, 7, 10 times a day, consume way more pages versus what they used to consume online. So it's loyal audiences, super engaged with the app, and we wanted to make sure that Taboola is really an expansion to that, an enrichment of that experience while driving engagement. So we circle more AP content within the AP app. So you read one app, and then we show you things we think you may like based on where you came from. I'm in New York City, it's Friday morning. I'm reading an article about Obama. What does that mean to Taboola? And that will be served twice. Once to serve me more AP content, and the second time by way of monetization using Taboola paid content from all around the web. I can discover content from other sites. I'm staying within the app. It could be a video. I can use the video to send it to the TV, watch it on my TV, go back to the app. Everything stays intact, which is really, really nice. And again, especially if you think about deep linking and what the industry is investing in, a lot of it is around these native apps, this economy of new types of applications that are coming up that will open one app to another and will drive more consumptions. It's still early days, I think, but it's going to be a big one.